Hello again. Now that you have gained some background information about the Big 6 research model, let's review some key points. This model is to help you through the research process. Each step is provided to guide you through and make the process more efficient. Let's take a look at the contents of the handout provided. It provides support for each step. 1 is the task definition. I have provided a place for your subject and topic of research, and also a place to ask the research question. Use the words what, why, or how when determining your question. Also, to get started, think about what you already know about your topic and what you need to know about your topic. This is what will guide you through the research process, keeping in mind what you need to know about your topic. Next is the information seeking strategies. What do you have available to you? Do you have online databases, books, websites? Check off everything that you have available. Also, make a list of combinations of search terms and phrases that you can use. This will help your search go more quickly and more efficiently. Location and access is the third step. So make a list of the sources you can use. So if you do have an online database, do you have a password? Do you know where it is? Make sure you have that on hand. Also think about what strategy you'll use when you are selecting your articles and books. Usually skimming briefly to see what is there, that would help before you determine to use it. Read the large print. Read the headlines. And then make sure it's answering questions based on what you need to know. Once you have your resources at hand, it's important how you use the information. So when you are taking notes, write down the title, author, copyright date, the publisher if you're using your book, or the URL if it's applicable. Also, if you access the website, include the date accessed. On your handout, you will see a little text box to show you some of the information that you need to collect. Also, keep in mind as you're reviewing or listening to your source, keep in mind, does it answer those questions that you wrote under the Need to Know column in step 2? And when you are writing down your notes, try to use your own words. If not, make sure you use quotation marks and give credit to the person who did say it. In step 5, now that you have all your information gathered and all your notes, it's time to organize them. You've probably run across much more information than you expected, so write down some of the subtopics that you may want to discuss in your paper. Or if you're doing some other presentation, you will need to determine, is it going to be shared in a paper, speech, poster, blog, video? It depends on what your criteria is from your teacher. So make sure that whatever you decide on how to share your information, that is acceptable according to your teacher's requirements. If you write a paper, make an outline, write a rough draft, and continuously edit and revise your work. If possible, have the teacher or another student review it. Some teachers may require that you turn in a draft. And finally, before you submit your paper or project, review it and make sure that it meets all the requirements for the project. If there is a rubric provided, check your work against the rubric. If you're satisfied with your work, turn your work in. Hopefully this has helped you. But if you're still stuck on some items and areas, I've provided a few resources. There are a couple of videos that will help you define the problem and develop a research question. The second video helps you to improve your internet search skills, helping you determine which It will help you determine which search words to use. Also, I have provided a graphic organizer for note-taking and a page with an infographic that shows some good sources, some reliable sources, and also a way to evaluate to make sure that sources are reliable and even suitable for your research project. Well, I hope this process will get you through your project and your research, and that you will learn some good skills here. Good luck, and I hope everything works out. Goodbye.